Make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you guys have one of those, you need to find the fuse for the rear right turn signal. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll talk about 3 common mistakes people make actually when replacing guys a fuse or relay that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Okay, all that will be covered today. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover very helpful information today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So it should work on V6 and V8. Specifically, we have a 2018 model V6 3.6 engine, but even if you have the V8, it will be about the same. Most people will just hope that that fuse is right here in the fuse box under the hood, but it's not there guys, it's at a different place. If you have problems after replacing the fuse with the turn signal still not working, what it could be guys, we had that happen before, you may need to use a scanner to actually reset the codes, body control module codes and all the codes in different modules, because sometimes the body control module can deactivate that function if there was a short in the system. So you will need a scanner like that or something similar. This one is amazing, it's our favorite. I will put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. And what it can do guys, that tool can access every computer system, it can read codes, delete codes and see live data. And some of these new cars may have up to 50-60 different computing systems guys, so scanner like that is a must nowadays. So let's explain where the rear right turn signal fuse is located. So what you guys need to do, you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger. Once you do that, you need to leave the trunk liner right here, that's on the bottom. And once you do that, you will get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now, 3 common mistakes people here often make guys. 1, it's almost always recommended to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, especially for the important ones. Otherwise, it can cause damage to electrical components, modules, computers, and that can, guys, could cost you quite a bit of money to fix. Number 2, another common mistake. Most people do not know that, but it's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Otherwise, if you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we guys know about that? We actually made that mistake and we burned the airbag module computer on Mercedes C-Class, and that repair itself, that new computer, cost us $2,000. So there is a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Very important thing. Next, the fuse box is right here. You can see all we need to do, press right here, okay, lift up like that, okay, and flip it open. That's where the fuses and relays are. And that's where the third mistake comes as well guys. So you can see you have different kind of fuses, relays. Common mistake people make here, they do not test fuses and relays. But fuses, what they do, they usually try to see through the glass and find out if the fuse is good or bad. We have had so many customers come to the garage guys, okay, where they cannot fix certain problems. They bought parts, they replaced multiple parts, they wasted their time, they said the fuse was fine, and when we checked actually and we tested the fuse, it was blown. So by not testing the fuse, sometimes you may think you install a good fuse in the car, it's actually a bad fuse, and that way you will waste your money and time guys. So always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So which fuse we need to check for that rear right turn signal? Coming in that row right here, we are going to work on top, starting from the very left guys, counting. Even if you have a missing fuse, you will have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5th fuse, but actually it's known as fuse number F06. Yep, I don't know what the logic is, but it's the 5th from left to right. You grab it with the fuse puller, okay, and you pull it out. Now if you need to buy a replacement fuse, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll get the new fuse, okay, it can go either way guys. Go ahead, okay, and
push it. Now you can see it can go either way. Push it in and install the cover. Practically, guys, you're ready to go. You might need to reset the codes if the turret signal still doesn't work. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.